words. Mama and Papa, we may be far from each other now, but I can really feel your love and support in everything that I do. I know that somewhere out there, you are smiling and proud to see me standing on the stage again. Everything I am today and everything I hope to become is because of you. I carry your love, your lessons, and sacrifices with me whenever I go. To our teachers, thank you for shaping both our competence and our character. You guided us not only to excel academically, but to become the individuals who act with integrity, respect, and responsibility. You prepared us to face the world not just as skilled individuals, but as principled leaders. To my friends, of course, I cannot forget you guys, and there's no need to mention all of your names because you already know who you are. Thank you for making this year easy for me. You know what? Let me share something. Before I entered my senior high school years, I had doubts, not whether if I could survive because I know that I can't be believed. But I wondered if this year could be easy for me or I'll struggle too much. But throughout this journey, I realized that whenever I have you guys, everything feels lighter and easier. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, and I'm so happy to see all your faces today. It's just sad to think that there will be no more kasama with all of you guys. Since we all know that even though we shared so much happy memories, the kasama are the most memorable ones, right? Especially from Faith, talagsar ang mga kasama, but when she does, hindi lang ako mag-say. But you know what? I have nothing to worry about because I know that we shared moments that will last a lifetime and distance cannot ever break. To our school leaders, DepEd officials, and barangay authorities, thank you for your dedication in building a system that empowers students like us to grow, to learn, and to become the future leaders of our communities. To my fellow graduates, we have been tested in many ways, but through it all, we stood firm. We learned, we grew, and we overcame. Today, we are not just graduates. We are individuals ready to lead with both competence and character. From the deepest parts of our hearts, thank you for your love, your sacrifices, and belief in us. And before I leave this stage, let me impart a little reminder. Medals, certificates, and achievements do not define who you are. You are more than what you have accomplished. Only you know the battles you fought just to be here. And I'm so proud of each one of us. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for always showing up. Thank you for giving your best in everything that you do. And lastly, allow me to say thank you and congratulations to the class of 2025-2026.
Dapat